I'm finna get on the grill and
ribs.
Finish the sentence,
what they call it?
Cook some ribs. Chicken.
So we add some sauce on it.
Pass it. It's barbecue.
Damn, mama, what's your ass?
24 seconds, yeah, you better not stop. You got 24 seconds.
Welcome back to my channel. If you don't know who I am here on YouTube, I go by Zoe William. December 31st, so happy New Year's Eve, Merry New Year's Eve, whatever y'all say. Actually running late. I'm supposed to be headed to the movies right now. So yeah, I'm gonna just show y'all a little OOTD. I gotta stop and get gas. And then we're going to the movies. We're going to see The Color Purple. I've already seen it, but my homegirl hasn't, so I said I'll go with her to see it because I honestly enjoyed it. But my beanie, it came from one of them stores in the mall, like Liz or one of them hat stores. And that was on sale for like $10. This jacket is from Old Navy. Purse, Michael Kors. I have on my David Yurman, Pandora, David Yurman, class ring, Apple Watch. This necklace was a Christmas gift from my dad a couple years ago. Flare pants, and then my Uggs. I'm gonna see y'all probably like after the movie or right before I go into the movie. I don't know. But yeah. Bye. Y'all, we finna see The Color Purple. Oh, my skin look good. I'm gonna use it as a thumbnail. Oh, that's
How you vlog you on the phone?
Cause I got a camera.
Oh.
Yeah, big vlogger. Say hey to the people.
Hey, people.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Hello.
You at your house?
No, I'm at Sonic. Why? Alright.
Alright.
Hello. Okay, y'all.
Mm-hmm.
Like I said, I'm at Sonic. That was my cousin Brooke. But my food should be on the way here now. I'm glad I got 10, but I still feel like people can probably see me vlogging.
Oh.
Yes, I'm vlogging. Am I in it?
Why are you so close?
I'm still trying to see. 11:07.
And
And we're about to play charades. But don't nobody want to be on the camera. So I'm the one. This not even the right remote. I'm the one that's acting everything out. Okay, I'm ready. Lion King.
oh yeah.
It's like a little minion.
They was trying to go after. Yeah. People eat this. It's a type of fish. No, I don't eat it. Y'all, you ate it yesterday. Why are you saying that? Oh. They blow water out their bed in the water. They let Oh, the big Ice Age with the big white.
Big one?
No, Ice Age.
Your baby.
Yeah. Oh, it be in the water. It go like this.
They do tricks.
And
And
they
aquarium.
they go like this. Oh no, they go like this.
A seal. Dang. I like
Eat it with green.
soul food.
Cornbread.
I'm finna get on the grill and
Ribs.
What they call
Finish the sentence,
What they
nigga.
call
I'm finna get on the grill and
Cook some ribs.
cook
What you
what?
call
Cook
it,
what?
Chicken.
No,
So-
when people are grilling, people call it what?
I'm gonna add some sauce on it.
Pass it. It's barbecue.
Damn, mama, what's your ass?
Like green mashed potatoes.
It don't taste like that.
Guacamole.
What is
Zoe,
that?
I
What they use for yeah.
That is so.
Zoe, that barbecue was insane.
Back pain.
Realign yo.
Spine.
Yeah.
What are you doing? Oh, if I'm this thing
Make a
right here.
mistake.
The marker. No.
Make a
the end.
mistake, you
When I-
gotta correct it.
I'm
On
mistake.
paper.
What do you do when you make the
On
mistake?
paper. You gotta.
Well, right.
And Charlotte,
Well,
and she was a
Itsy
spider.
bitsy.
Yeah. Mhm. Oh, if you cook, your grandma be having stuff for you to follow.
Instructions
It's in
for
the
you to
book.
cook.
Recipe. Yeah. You drink out of
cook.
yeah. Oh,
Christmas.
they're red and white.
Tree.
They're hooks.
Kitty cane.
Y'all, it's currently 12:20. I forgot to vlog when it became 12 o'clock, but it's officially January 1st, 2024. So happy New Year's.
Happy New Year.
Okay, y'all, first off, happy New Year. One, we're gonna start. My glasses are crooked on my face. They're gonna be crooked on my face the whole video. They're broken and I'm running real low on contacts. I'm about to go downstairs and attempt to cook a roast. So today is my parents' anniversary. They got me cooking a roast, y'all. I don't know where to start. I don't know where to end. I don't know how to do none of it. So I'm gonna have my iPad down there on YouTube, my phone down there on TikTok, and we're gonna see how this goes. But I'm gonna take y'all with me. My mama got me making pot roast, right? I done already started watching a YouTube video. I preheated the oven, and I done pulled up a TikTok. I seen a girl put some oil on it. That's probably a lot of oil, but I seen her put some oil on it. So I'm gonna go ahead and season it.
Oh, you ain't top off. Oh, you ain't Flintstone. Hey, you ain't flying business first. Hey, you ain't drive around the world. Hey, you ain't brown like a squirrel. Hey, you ain't Chanel pearls. Hey, you ain't Rolls Royce car.
Yeah, so right now I'm about to cut up the potatoes. My mom and them is here, and she was like, you don't need all the stuff, you don't need carrots and stuff, just use what you got. So that's what we're gonna do. I don't have a set way of how I like peel or cut potatoes. I just make sure they're small enough. I'm about to season the potatoes with pepper. I use a lot of pepper though, so I don't want to do too much. But this, y'all missing out. If y'all don't have this, go get this. In no way, shape, or form is this a tutorial or a how-to. This is I think I may know what I'm doing, but I don't. So now I done put the potatoes in here, and I'm starting on the broccoli, and I'm gonna just mix around. Okay, I'm gonna put this on top of the broccoli. Let that do what it do. Wipe up my mess. I'm gonna put it from the pan to this bowl. I don't like my broccoli hard, if that makes sense. Like, I like it to be a little soft.
Yo, yo.
Made the roast. Presentation is not good. I can tell you that right now.
Thank you, Zoe.
You're welcome. This is the roast, rice, broccoli. Okay, I'm gonna eat. I'm gonna come back, tell y'all what I think. We had went to Barry's earlier, but my camera footage had cut off. But yeah, we went and ate lunch there. So now I'm at Old Navy and returned them sweatpants because they was too big. But now we're just looking around. But we supposed to go to the mall after this, I think, just to walk around, look, shop, I guess. Okay, so we're leaving Old Navy. Secured the bag, which I'll show y'all later. 520, if y'all can see that. And then, was it this one? This one is $14.95. But these are too big. This is cute. This come with an eye mask. You want these? Because I wouldn't be caught in them pants. Oh, it look come with this.
Need that.
Oh, this one's cute. This is cute.
You don't like
Okay, y'all. So it's haul time. I'm about to show y'all everything I got today. Plus, like a few things my friends got me for my birthday. So the first thing we're gonna start off with is Old Navy. I got these sweatpants. I just did an exchange. And then I got this puffer jacket. So y'all, Old Navy is really become like one of my favorite stores. And they have really good sales. This jacket was like regular price $60. But it was on sale for like $30. So this is what it looks like. And I needed a puffer. I don't have one. And I think it's so cute. And it's like a little crop. It's a little crop. But it's so cute. I love it. And then like I could pair it with like a hoodie or something underneath it, or I don't know, but it's real cute, real comfortable. Last but not least, I got this real cute sweater. I had been eyeing it the last time I went to Old Navy, so I went ahead and got it. So I got this in a medium. This is the back, and then this is the front, and it has like 4 buttons going down it. So yeah, real cute. And I think my total with this, like, this was originally like $45 and I got it for $30. So yeah, they have really good sales. And then if you become like a, I don't want to say member, but basically like the more money you spend there, the more like points you get, and your points is like money. So like today I got $2 off. Last time I went I got $4 off. Next thing, went to Belk. I've been wanting to get more into like pajamas lately. Tommy Hilfiger pajama set. So these are the shorts. It's like this, real cute, and then it says Hilfiger on the side. Yeah, I got this one, which is real girly. It's these pink pants. They look like this, and then the top is like this. Okay. I know y'all probably like, oh, you got the bags on your bed. Yeah, it's just the like top part. I don't sleep in this. So then this came in the mail today. This is from Renaya. I'm about to open it and see what she got me. Because she texted me, asked me for my address. I said, oh my God, you getting me a gift? She's talking about some I cannot confirm or deny. So I'm excited. I don't know what she got me, and this is a pretty big box, and I haven't told her like anything I wanted. I feel like. Okay, so y'all see detail. It says Zoe. So it's clothes. Like, it's gotta be clothes. I know that bitch. I feel like it's probably like a matching set or something, because I was looking into like matching sets earlier. Oh wait, I think it's a sweater. Is it a sweater? I think it's a sweater, y'all. I think. I'm having a lot of trouble actually. Oh, and she got me a card. Okay. I'm gonna read the card first. It says, happy birthday, Zoe. Renaya is literally my sweetest friend. I cannot lie. Okay. Okay.
It says, here's the friends who love to yate, who know your heart, who got your back. Here's the friends who keep it real, who understand the way you feel. And then it says, here's the friends who make you laugh, who give their best on your behalf, who stand behind you faithfully. Here's the friends like you and me. Have a very happy birthday, my friend. Love, Renaya. She said.
It's not too late to take a few more shots. That's my drinking friend right there, okay? I'm very confused. I think, oh, it's a cardigan. Y'all, it's so cute. Y'all, I really been into cardigans. I've been wearing the same too, like, all the time. Oh my goodness. Y'all, this is so cute. Okay, her. She's cute. I love it. I'm a cardiganer. Look at that. Oh my God. Y'all. What? Oh my goodness. Thank you, Renaya. My parents had got me the Very Good Girl, Carolina Herrera, however you say it, that perfume. Chan had got me if y'all can see, Chan had got me this heart charm, and then my sister had got me this one. Chloe, I don't know if y'all remember Chloe. She took my pictures for my graduation shoot, but me and Chloe been friends since we was like 3. She got me this candle. I didn't know Jackie Aina even had a candle line, but this is from Jackie Aina's candle collection, and this is Forever Mood Champagne Showers. Y'all, it smells like candy. Like, it smells like candy. It smells so good. And I think I'm gonna close out the video right here. I hope you guys enjoy. Subscribe to the channel, okay? I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.